And dear students, once again Makbul Islam is in front of you. Today we have a new integration question for you. Integration of 2 and 3. Lower limit is 2 and upper limit exponent of x dx. How we can calculate this integration of limit form? Lower limit is 2 and upper limit is 3, and f of x is equal to 3 exponent of x. How we can calculate this? According to the formula, as we know that first of all we write the formula integration of ax dx is equal to, we get in here a exponent of x divided by log of a plus c, where limit is not given, so we can put the constant value plus c. But here is the definite interval and indefinite interval, both are given in here, so we are put in here not c, because here limits are given. According to this definition, 3 exponent of x and log of 3 and up to the upper and lower limit are applied. In the place of first we put xv upper limit and the second is lower limit, so we can apply 1 divided by log of 3 and 3 exponent of 3 minus 3 exponent of 2. So 1 divided by log of 3 and we get 27 minus 9, and we get in here 18 divided by log of 3 is the answer of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thank